ये आपका जो है वेट जो जस्ट वेट green mode is where this one is and this one is green mode. Okay, now fine, and it is here. Okay, fine, do not disturb it, do not disturb it. Okay, fine. You can alter your seats there. Please do not disturb them. Okay. We starting with the chapter introduction of trigonometry. Before that, you need some concepts of that one trigonometry chapter. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, and sec theta and all. You informed about these formulas. Like the trick is there. Pandit Badri Prasad Har bole. Okay. And yes, correct. It is Sona means sin. C means cos and T for tan. Sona chandi tole. So sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. This is perpendicular for P, B for base. Fine. Yes, sir. Till here it is correct. Yes, sir. You also want to know here all the trigonometric angles. Yes, all the trigonometric angles. Trigonometric angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree. I feel and I think so you are comfortable with that all. Yes or no? Yes, sir. सभी को याद है ना? Yes, sir. नहीं याद है? So may I need it once again to repeat that? Yes, sir. Okay, so once again I repeat it. How to calculate the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta? Just write some number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Divide with the highest number 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Take root of everyone. Root of 1 by 4, root of 2 by 4, root of 3 by 4, root of 4 by 4. Fine. Now it is 0 by 4 root equals to under root 0 equals to 0. 1 ka root 1, 4 ka root 2, 2 2s are 4. So the 1 ka root 1 or 2 ka root 2, 3 root 3 upon 2, and it is 1 ka root 1. Fine. So these are the values. Now starting with the table, the first is theta is 0 degree, then it is 30 degree, then it is 45, then it is 60, then it is 90. Okay, so we starting to write the numbers here. Respective trigonometric constant. First is sin theta. So as I told you, go Sagar to Bhopal. Okay, so 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So now we reach Bhopal and it's time to come back. Cos theta 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. So fine, it is sin theta and cos theta. Now to calculate tan theta. Tan theta, very obvious, you might know the formula. Tan theta is equals to sin theta upon cos theta. So what? Just divide tan theta. 0 upon 1 equals to 0. 1 by 2 root 3 by 2. 2 se 2 cancel. 1 by root 3. 1 cancel 1. Root 3 by 1. 2 se 2 cancel. And 1 upon 0 is infinite. Not defined some quantity, that is 1 upon 0 is infinite. Correct? Yes, sir. So here it is the table that give you the clear idea about the trigonometry ratios. Okay? Yes. Fine. In our chapter, this chapter, we need only two things: sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. Most common, 99% we using tan theta. Yes, sir. Because tan theta is the formula that directly relates base and perpendicular. Because perpendicular upon base is equals to tan theta. Okay, so it directly deal with the base and perpendicular. So most obvious we use this formula most of the time. After then sin theta, then cos theta. This is application of trigonometry. If you know the formula of all trigonometric ratios and a value of trigonometry, then there will be nothing you needed. Everything is clear in this chapter. Let us start with one question. Very recent we are facing an exam. Okay, going to be held on 31st. So only problems for the NCERT will become. Nothing problem, no one problem from the outside. That will paper from only NCERT. Only the level of paper is NCERT. So start with the one problem. Starting with the one problem. Before going on the problem, was any problem?
चैप्टर्स कितने आने हैं?
Chapters already send it to your mail ID as well as chapter are 5. First is trigonometry, second is coordinate geometry, third one probability, okay, fourth one arithmetic progression and quadratic equation, and yes, fine. Circle construction are not coming, that's it. Circle construction mensuration not coming. Yes, quadratic is coming. Okay, so starting with first question. Okay, here I am starting with a question. Example number 4. Example number 4 on the page 200. Example number 4 on the page 200. Okay, yes, no need to disturb it. No need, I sing the example. Why you worrying? From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. From a point P on the ground, a point P on the ground is here. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter building. Yeah, angle of elevation and angle of depression are the two things. Yes, Astha Jain, can you tell me what is angle of elevation?
So if we are seeing from down to up, then it is angle of elevation.
Angle of elevation made by which line? Baseline or something another line?
Baseline.
No, it is made by the horizon. It is made by the horizon. It is not made by the ground. Whenever you see, just first line up your horizon, that is directly from your eyesight, straight away from your eyesight. Okay, say this is horizon and this is your eye. Then this one angle, if you see the things presented here, like object is A, then this angle is called angle of elevation, and this one angle is called angle of depression. Okay, so two types of angle are here. Sit down. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degree. A building is here.
Yes, sir.
A building is here. This is 10-meter tall building. Okay, fine. This building, the top of the point of the building is B. Suppose the top point of the building is B, and the base point you can say C is 30 degree. Angle of elevation is 30 degree. Fine. So it is 30 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Okay. Next. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation at the top of the flag staff from point P is 45 degree. A flag is hoisted here. Put up a flag here. Yes. Some height, I don't know what is the height of this flag. Flag ka point F le lijiye. Okay, fine.
Yes.
Now flag is like this. Maybe something written there, Jai Mata Di or whatever flag. Okay. So flag staff from point P, the angle of elevation. Once again, you see, you want to see this flag. So angle of elevation of this flag is equals to how much?
45.
45 degree. Okay. Next, find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point P. Find the length of the flag staff. First question, find the length of the flag staff. Do you know this length? No. So it is considered as a variable. So suppose it is x. Do you know this length? No. So suppose it y. Now starting to solve this question, very easy. केवल एक ही तरीका है हर क्वेश्चन का और हर बार उसी तरीके को फॉलो करेंगे. There are two triangles. One is a smaller one and second one is bigger one. There are two triangles. One is a smaller one and second one is bigger one. So tell me sincerely, in which triangle the most informations are given? Smaller one or bigger one? Yes, a smaller one. So starting with the smaller one triangle, in triangle PBC. Now things are there. Calculations. You need the calculation between perpendicular and base only, because there is no requirement of the hypotenuse. Question ने कुछ भी hypotenuse के बारे में नहीं पूछा है. So there is no requirement of the hypotenuse. So only you need this one, perpendicular and base. Perpendicular this one, base this one. So what is the formula that relating perpendicular to the base? Tan theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular of hypotenuse. Cancel. Cos theta base upon hypotenuse. Cancel. Hypotenuse का कोई जरूरत नहीं इधर पे. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. So apply tan theta. So tan theta is equals to perpendicular, that is BC upon base is what? BC. Has Raghuvanshi clear?
Yes, sir.
BC upon BC. Oh yes. What is the value of tan theta?
30.
Very good. Might you see here 45, but 45 degrees for the bigger one triangle. It is 30 degree. Okay. So tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular. How much it is? 10 upon base. How much is this?
Y.
Fine, it is 10 upon y. Okay. So now it is 10 upon y. 30 degree equals to 1 by root 3 is equals to 10 upon y. You can calculate y is equals to how much? 10 root 3, and the unit is given in meter. So obviously put here meter, otherwise 0.5 marks will be deducted. Y is now it is 10.3 meter. Okay, very good. So we have calculated here the base height, or you can say the distance from the point P to the foot of the building. वन आंसर, एक आंसर आ चुका है. आप चाहें तो इसको ब्लॉक के अंदर यहाँ पे बंद करके लगा दें, आप बहुत सेफ हो जाएंगे. आपका यही आंसर माना जाएगा. टीचर टिक करेगा. 4 मार्क का क्वेश्चन है, आपको 2 मार्क्स यहीं पर दे देगा. आगे की बात करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, यू नीड दिस वन हाइट. यस और नो? सो यू हैव टू टेक वंस अगेन दिस बेस and this complete one triangle in triangle PCF. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In triangle PCF. In triangle PCF. 10. Yes. What?
45.
45 or 30?
45.
Yes. 10 45 degree is equals to perpendicular
X plus 10.
upon base. What is base?
10 root 3.
Y. Yes, correct. But we have calculated here the y is 10 root 3. So we can put here 10 root 3. Understand?
Yes.
Now 10 45 equals to
1.
1 multiplied by 10 root 3 equal to 10 root 3. So answer 10 root 3 equals to x plus 10. आप इधर आ जाइए भाई. X plus 10 equals to 10 root 3. So x equals to 10 root 3 minus 10. You can take common as 10. Answer root 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is your height of the flag staff.
Till here we have done.
Don't, yes, one, your answer. No need to solve it again.
Yes.
Sit up. No need to solve it further. Answer, give full marks. Okay, otherwise you can put 1.732. Solve करना है तो multiply करके solve कर सकते हैं. Okay, but do not waste your time. It is fine. Fine.
Yes.
This one question, only the question like this will come to your exam.
Yes.
These questions are very easy. इसी वैरायटी का क्वेश्चन बन सकता है. और मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन क्या बन सकता है? वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. राम श्याम तो आपको भूले नहीं होंगे अभी तक. राम श्याम का क्वेश्चन, खिड़की पे बैठे थे नीचे और ऊपर. तो ट्रायंगल एक बार ड्रॉ कर लीजिए बस. और ड्रॉ करने के बाद तो पूरा क्वेश्चन आपसे खुद बनता है. आपको पता है.
Yes, sir.
सर ड्राइंग करते तो बनता नहीं है, वो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. हाँ, मीटर. यस, वेरी गुड. मीटर. एलाइट हार्ड मास इज करेक्ट. सो आंसर इज इन मीटर. फाइन. एनी प्रॉब्लम?
No.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
ओके, यस सर नहीं बोली, नो सर बोली. प्रॉब्लम नहीं है तो नो सर. चलिए. ओके, एनी मोर क्वेश्चन है? यू हैव डाउट इन एनसीईआरटी बुक? जस्ट लुक, जस्ट give a slight glance to your book and just see, does there any question you having a problem?
Sir, once will you tell to how to make a means structure diagram of
14.
How to make a diagram? 14 question. NCERT question number 14. One by one. First time going through question number 14. Okay.
any tough one, sir?
Question number 14. Which one exercise?
Only one exercise here.
Okay, very good. Question number 14.
9.1.
Okay.
Page number 2, you find.
10.
Question number 14. Yes. अनिरुद्ध पढ़िए, आप ही पढ़िए क्वेश्चन नंबर 14.
1.2 meter tall girls sport a balloon.
Yes, wait. Here is a base. Obviously, the girl will be stood on the base. A 1.2 meter tall girl. A 1.2 meter tall girl. This is the foot of the girl. You can say it is F. And this is the head of the girl. It is 1.2 meter. Very fine. 1.2 meter tall girl.
Moving with the wind in horizontal line at the height of.
Wait. Just read once again. Start.
A girl 1.2 meter tall. Like a 1.2 meter tall girl.
A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at height of 88.2 meter from the ground.
Yes. She spot a balloon. Here it is balloon.
Yes, sir. 88.2
meter.
She spot a balloon that is moving rightward. And the height of the balloon is how much?
88.2.
88.2 meter from the ground. From the
Ground.
Speak loudly. Ground.
Ground.
Yes. So it is ground. From the ground. Now 1.2 meter is this one. This is 88.2. Then 88.2 minus 1.2.
87.
Yes. How much it is?
87.
87.0. This means this height from here to here, it is. So you can give some name. It is A. It is B. Okay. It is B. So AB is equals to 87 meter. Okay. So it is 87 meter. Yes. Next.
The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at an instant is 60 degrees.
Yes. The angle of elevation. The girl seeing here this balloon. The angle of elevation. This point is how much?
60 degrees.
60 degree. Next.
After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degrees.
Yes. Now the balloon comes rightwards, and if it slightly comes rightward, then definitely the angle of the elevation will be reduced here. And this time the angle of elevation is equals to how much?
30 degree.
30 degree.
30 degree. Correct? 30 degree. Okay, fine. Now Dwight.
Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval.
Find the distance traveled by the balloon
In interval.
in the interval. Okay. So this much distance, say it is x. This much distance you need to find. It is x, so obviously it will be also x. Okay, fine. Now we have to start this question. Now we have two triangles. One is this one triangle, and second one is this one triangle. Just join it. We have joined. Now in which triangle most of, if this one is x, then this one is also x. Yes or no? In which triangle, say give them a name. Here the girl, G point is there. A, B, some C is not there. So C point is there, D is there, E and F. Okay. So nominations are given. सबको मैंने नाम दे दिया.
AB equals to C.
ठीक है, इसको E ले लो. चलो.
E is
G ले लो.
G is also there. P.
H, P, fine. Okay, now start. Which triangle I have to take first?
Small.
G.
Small. 60 degree triangle.
Small.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
AB is equals to
Name the triangle. G, A, G, B. A, G, B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. A, G, B. Starting with the triangle A, G, B, you need this one height. That is GB. Consider it
Y.
Y. Okay? Let GB distance is equals to Y meter. Okay? Yes.
Sir, why directly calculate the bigger one triangle?
Because in bigger one triangle you need this one variable also. You need, there will be two, stop, listen me just. There will be two variable, x as well as y. ये यहाँ से इधर गया, x plus y आएगा, but इसमें केवल एक वेरिएबल आएगा. Say yes or no?
No.
अच्छा, देखिए, इसमें केवल एक वेरिएबल आएगा, only this one, y. देखिए तो आप, now start with the smaller one, मतलब पहला वाला triangle AGB. Yes, AGB. AGB.
60 degree.
Wait, yes. AGB. थोड़ा डार्क हो गया. हाँ. Now, AGB. How much angle is there?
60 degree.
60 degree. Tan theta, sin theta, cos theta. Yes, correct. So tan 60 degree is equals to perpendicular is how much? 87 upon
Y.
Y. Harshagopal, now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
87 upon Y.
1 by root.
Because इसमें इंफॉर्मेशन केवल y में जाएगी. अगर आप ये वाला ट्रायंगल लेंगे तो x plus y आपको परेशान करेगा. Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 87 plus y. Fine. So tan 60 is equals to how much? Root 3 is equals to 87 divided by y. So y is equals to 87 by root 3. This is this much intermediate distance. No use of this. ये कोई काम का ही नहीं है. Okay? इसको कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे. So it is 87 root 3. Fine. 87 root 3. Now in bigger one triangle.
काम करेंगे निकाला क्यों फिर?
अच्छा.
हाँ तो ना
को माइनस करेंगे सर टोटल वैल्यू से
क्योंकि वो अभी आगे आएगा उसमें ऐड करने के लिए जब ट्रायंगल लगेगा. तो काम का नहीं है इसका मतलब ये इंटरमीडिएट रिजल्ट है. आपको सॉल्यूशन नहीं चाहिए इसका. नेक्स्ट 10 इन ट्रायंगल in triangle GCE. GCE. Okay? In triangle GCE. Yes. What trigonometric, only Ashish Jain, what trigonometric ratio I can apply? Sin, tan or cos?
Sine.
Sin.
Tan.
बीच में बोल. हाँ. क्या अप्लाई करेंगे? अभी तक 10. अब कुछ नहीं अभी तक समझ में आया ना? अभी जो भी पढ़ा है कुछ नहीं आया समझ में. अब आप साइन कह रहे हैं. देख रहे हैं आपको इसमें रिलेशनशिप चाहिए और इसमें रिलेशनशिप चाहिए. ये 87 है तो ये कितना होगा? 87. तो tan थीटा ये हाइपोटेनस का क्या करोगे आप? उसने ये नहीं पूछा कि बताइए पतंग की डोर कितनी बड़ी है, वो गुब्बारे की डोर कितनी बड़ी है. अगर उन्होंने पूछा होता वो गुब्बारे की डोर की लेंथ बताइए तब हाइपोटेनस आता. अभी गुब्बारे की डोर नहीं पूछी उन्होंने. यस और नो?
तो फिर ये कैलकुलेट करने की जरूरत.
यस. आया समझ में? सो tan इन ट्रायंगल GCE, tan हाउ मच? 30 डिग्री और 60 डिग्री? 30 डिग्री. प्लीज डू नॉट स्पीक. मैं जब उनसे पूछता हूं आप मेरे को जवाब देने दीजिए, ठीक ना? tan 30 डिग्री is equals to perpendicular. How much it is? 87. 87. Now only she speaks. किसी ने बीच में बोला बाहर जाऊंगा क्लास की. 87 divided by base. Yes, only you. What is the length of base here? Do not know?
X plus y.
You speak.
I don't speak.
You speak.
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ क्या है?
X plus y.
Yes, correct. X plus y. X plus y. Now, see here. We already have y. 87 root 3. Say yes or no? Just put here the value of y. Put here the value of y. What is tan 30? 1 by root 3 is equals to 87 into divided by x plus y. X is 87 divided by root 3 plus y. Wait.
Plus x.
83.
Sir,
Y is given. Okay. X plus 83 divided by 87 divided by root 3. Just wait 1 minute. किससे पूछ के आज मैंने मार्क कभी नहीं बोल. No. 87 divided by. Close the door. No. Close the door. Close the door. 87 divided by root 3. Now cross multiply. Take this whole here and 87 root 3 here. X plus 87 by root 3 is equals to 87 root 3. Fine. Now x is equals to 87 root 3 minus 87 divided by root 3. Now put the value of root 3 and you can solve. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this much is the distance x. Answer getting the answer na? Fine. Understood? कहाँ से? यहाँ से. Cross multiply. ये ऊपर आएगा ये इधर जाएगा. Fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.